Did you know that nearly half of all small businesses fail within the first 5 years? And if you're a disruptive tech startup, that number is significantly higher. The good news is that failure is avoidable if you ask the right questions and do the right research before you get started. We're here to help you do just that with a series of applicable exercises. Hi, I'm Becky Kielennick.
And I'm Diana Doty, and we've been entrepreneurs since we got that first shiny quarter for that cup of lemonade. As serial entrepreneurs, there are a lot of things that we know now that we wish we'd known when we started our first startups and our second startups. We've made all the mistakes so that you don't have to.
And even though we've had formal business training, we've also had plenty of time to learn what does and doesn't work based on our real-world experience, not something that you'll find in a book.
We have nearly 40 years of combined business experience, starting and running businesses both online and brick and mortar.
Service-based and product-based.
B2B, B2C.
Some have worked, some have failed.
Just to give you a quick rundown of what we've done, let me do my best Vanna White pose.
Ta-da! Damn, that's a lot of businesses.
Indeed. If it exists in this universe, we've probably tried it.
I hate to think of everything we've tried in other universes. Or is it universities? Universe?
So join us for this free video workshop series, The Second Startup, to learn to think about your startup from a new perspective and make sure you get started on the right foot using our hands-on, thought-provoking exercises.
We want you to have the tools you need to be successful from the get-go without having to do all the legwork that we did.
40 years. That's a lot of time to save.
Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can imbibe all of the knowledge that we're going to pour forth onto you.
If you can do just one more thing to prepare for your startup, make sure it's watching this show and doing these exercises.
So subscribe, and let's go forth and be successful together.